TransUnion Explained. VantageScore versus FICO. Confused about the difference between VantageScore and FICO? Let's clear that up fast. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll explain the key differences between the VantageScore and FICO credit scoring models to help you understand your credit better. Step 1. Know that both scores range from 300 to 850, but they use slightly different formulas. Step 2. FICO is the most widely used by lenders for credit decisions. Step 3. VantageScore was created by the three major credit bureaus to compete with FICO. Step 4. VantageScore tends to be more inclusive, scoring consumers with limited credit history. Step 5. Both scores consider payment history, credit utilization, length of credit, new credit, and credit mix, but weigh them differently. Step 6. It's normal for your VantageScore and FICO score to differ slightly. Quick tip. Check both scores regularly to get a complete picture of your credit health. If this helped, like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.